Good morning, boys and girls. I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm going to read you a book, Animal Fun, Count to 10. How many zebras can you see? One. One zebra. How many pandas can you see? One, two. Two pandas. How many elephants can you see? One, two, three. Three.
Elephants.
How many lions can you see? One, two, three, four. Four lions. My name is Furry. How many turtles can you see? One, two, three, four, five.
Five turtles.
Five turtles. I use flippers to swim. How many parrots can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six parrots.
Yeah.
My feathers are pretty and bright. How many ducks can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Seven ducks. My beak is yellow. See their beak? Yellow. Who else can you see hiding in the grass?
Bunny.
A bunny. How many monkeys can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight monkeys. How many penguins can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine penguins. Brr! I like eating fish. Yum, yum. How many piglets can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 piglets. It's time for dinner, little piglets. The end. Thank you.